Have you ever wondered why the rich keep getting richer while the poor seem stuck in the same place? Is it luck, a rigged system, or is there a secret formula the wealthy follow that most people ignore? Today, we're breaking down the age-old, wealth-building secrets that have stood the test of time. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have the blueprint to start stacking wealth like the rich do. Stay tuned, because missing even one of these principles could cost you a fortune. Number 1, the money trap. Why the poor stay poor. Most people believe that making more money will solve their financial problems. But here's the cold truth. If you don't control your spending, it doesn't matter how much you make, you'll always be broke. The rich understand one fundamental rule: paying yourself first. Before paying rent, Netflix, or that overpriced coffee, set aside at least 10% of your earnings. This simple habit alone can change your financial future. Number 2, the power of investing, making money work for you. Saving money is great, but saving alone won't make you rich. The second law of wealth: invest wisely. Gold, or in today's world, money, is a hard-working soldier. If you send it into battle wisely, it will return with reinforcements. The key? Avoid get-rich-quick schemes. If someone says, invest in this, you'll double your money overnight, run. True wealth is built over time. The rich play the long game, the poor chase short-term gains and end up losing. Number 3, wisdom. Before wealth, seek expert advice. Imagine needing heart surgery. Would you trust your neighbor because he once watched a medical drama? Of course not. So why do people trust random TikTok influencers and unqualified friends when investing? The rich always seek guidance from those who have already succeeded. Whether it's real estate, stocks, or business, get advice from experts, not amateurs. Number 4, understand before you invest, avoiding costly mistakes. Here's a golden rule. If you don't understand it, don't invest in it. Too many people throw money into things they don't fully grasp, only to watch it disappear. The rich, they educate themselves first, then invest wisely. Money flows to those who respect it. Treat your investments like a business, not a casino. Number 5, greed and gambling. The fast track to losing it all. Meet John. John wanted to make back his lost money fast, so he gambled, believing he had a sure win strategy. Guess what happened? He lost even more. The 5th law of wealth is clear. Gold flees the man who chases impossible earnings. The rich don't rely on luck. They build, grow, and protect their wealth with patience and strategy. How to break free and build wealth. Now that you know the 5 laws of gold, it's time to apply them. Start today. Save at least 10%. Invest wisely, seek expert advice, only invest in what you understand, and avoid shortcuts. Wealth isn't about how much you make, it's about how much you keep, grow, and protect. Follow these principles, and you'll break free from the cycle keeping most people poor. If you got value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-making insights, and let me know in the comments, which of these wealth principles will you start applying today? See you in the next one.